When I built my shed, I had a vague idea that I might one day put in a proper car lift. So I made the floor a bit thicker than standard, but I never bought a lift. In fact, for 5 years I never really thought about it until a couple of weeks ago when I went online and within a couple of clicks found a company that specialises in stripping out workshops around Japan and reselling the equipment. So Japan's a pretty small country, but it's still got a lot of places to hide a business selling used car lifts, which means this company I found online could have been anywhere. Could have been on top of Mount Fuji for all I knew, but it turned out to be 5 minutes drive from my house.
Coincidence? I think not!
So for 5 years this little factory has basically been down the end of my street, hidden in a residential area with a convenience store on one side, apartment building on the other, and my new lift sitting there wagging its tail begging me to buy it. The all-up cost, including delivery 100 miles to my shed in the mountains, was less than $3,000.
Telling me's dreaming.
I think it took about 3 hours for me and the guru to install this lift. The steps in the video are pretty obvious, but I will add a few captions here and there about what I learned, because you'll notice that as usual there's only one guy here who knows what he's doing. I'll give you a hint, it's not me.